anymore.
Dad, don't.
You know what, Jay? Who is it? How are we supposed to know who the penguins are? How do we know who's our penguin?
Okay, penguins right here. Just stand right against the wall, penguins. Penguins up against the wall.
Why don't we just kill me, okay?
Penguins up against the wall for one last photo session.
Oh, good. One last. I'm the tallest. I'm in the back.
Where's Scott?
Which is Scott? Maybe they're not all here.
And look over at the other side of the room.
Where is it?
Well, there's a grease spot. Is that Jessie? Raise your hand, Jessie.
Smile.
Hey, get
I'm here. Jessie, raise your hand.
in the back.
I'm not tall enough.
I've never seen you close up. You look filthy.
Huddle. Yeah, that's
Well,
it.
that's what a mom would say. Okay, come on.
Do you want to take
Smile inside my mommy. Smile. Hurry up.
Oh, you want me to take one too?
Oh, well.
Wave.
Wave, Jen.
Wave. Wave.
Oh, well. Yeah?
Excuse me.
Hold on. My head. Are you crying?
You better do.
Here she comes.
Oh.
Elsa, Elizabeth, I only have one picture left.
Why would you do that?
And you're all done coming to wardrobe to get unpotted. They're laying here.
At any time, I'm gonna die.
Go.
What do you mean?
Mom, take the
She was right over there. Where is she?
Oh, no. Is it Casey or Tony?
That's Tony. I'm Casey.
Oh, I see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I got it. Okay.
Can you dance? No, wait till she...
But look at me. Look at the camera.
Can't.
Oh, sorry.
Can you guys dance or something?
Sure. No.
Okay.
Can we get out?
My roll.
Why can't you guys do it in the wardrobe? Now, can you guys do a show for us? Come on, chop, chop. Come on, you know the whole routine. All right, let's go. Bye.
Jesse, is that you? Jesse. Is that you?
You want help getting that off?
No, I have to go to wardrobe. Yeah, another show right
Sam, you want to?
I don't. But I really.
Okay. Wave.
Have an image in mind when you go to audition, and you either are the image or you aren't the image, and you know you can only be
That was very
so
clear
much.
to me because he was a perfect penguin. I mean, he went. This was his dream.
Yeah, you know they were looking for, in this case they were looking for, this is Alfred's second plot, and you have to be able to be physically adept, and you have to be able to project an image without using your face. And so, you know, this is
Body, yeah.
she was the dog in Madeline. I mean, nobody ever knew there was a 10-year-old girl in that dog pot. And I mean, he was pretty hairy.
She would feel comfortable in Greta.
Yeah, she's been. I mean, I'd be so claustrophobic. I mean, I wouldn't even do it. You know, she's done absolutely nothing. Parts like in Wrinkle.